Hello everyone, welcome back to Software Tech. In this tutorial I will show you how you can add theme box like this with the member picture, name, the designation and message or description about that, as well as the social media icons. To add a similar looking theme section, first you need to log into the dashboard. Now once you successfully logged into your site, go to plugins and click on add new. Now here we will add a new plugin. For this, search Divi. Here you can see Divi add-on plugin. Now click on install now. Once the plugin installed, click on activate. Now it will take you to these settings. I will skip these settings, just click on dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel. Also press bell icon to get notified about future updates about Divi. Now go to post in which you want to add theme section or create a new page or post. Now here you have to add post title. I will add theme and then click on use Divi builder button. Now here you have to choose a layout. I will start building from scratch. Now here add a single row. Here the module appears. Scroll down. These modules with the name of tar come with the plugin that we have added now, the Divi plugin. Here you can see the tar theme section. Select this section and then here is the photo. Click on it. Choose the member photo. Click on upload a photo. Now here you can make it open in light box. I will enable it. You can add alternative text. Here I will add name, add designation or job title. Now here is the member's bio. Now go to social media links. Here you can add the links. Just I will type just hash and the icon will appear like that. And I will type hash in Instagram. You can see here Instagram appear. You can use your own social media links. Now go to settings. Here you can change show content on hover. It will appear like that. This is looking much better. Now go to design. From content you can change its alignment. I will make it center. Now go to photo and change the photo width and height. Change just width of the photo to 400 pixels as well as height, and it will appear like that. Change its alignment to center. Now it will appear like that. Now I will reduce this bio. Now from design and text you have three different tabs: the name, job title and bio. First I will change the job title style. I will make it ABEL, make it bold and change its color to black. Make it size 30 pixels. Now go to job title. I will make it Acme. Leave them at regular. Change color and make it style to 18. Now go to job bio. Change its font to Alata. Leave them as regular. Change color and size to 15. Now click on this tick button. Hover over it. Now I will take a live preview. For this, click on this three dots and publish the post. After publishing, click on this exit visual builder button. Now here is the members photo. When you hover over it, name, designation and message or bio appears like that with the social media icons. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and also press bell icon to get notified about future updates about Divi Builder. Thanks for watching.